Hey Javanuts, it's Coffee Time. Today I want to show you how to make Guillermo coffee. All you need is some good water, a good full-bodied coffee or espresso, a lime, a cutting board, a knife, and a cup to put it all in. Start by pulling the shots. If you need a full how-to guide on how to pull the perfect coffee shop shot at home, I'll link a link in the description and also at the end of this video. Now cut your lime. Traditionally, you would cut the lime this way. We're going to cut it this way in order to be able to extract more of that lime flavor. We're going to be using these two. Now before you go and cut into this lime, make sure you wash it really well. The lime and the peel will go straight into your coffee drink, so you want this to be clean. Next, take your 2 pieces of lime and put them on the bottom of your cup, standing up. Next, take your shots and pour them straight over the lime. Give a quick shake, and finally, enjoy. If you feel so led, cut a 3rd wedge just as a garnish. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are sure to enjoy. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. I read all of my comments and look forward to hearing what you thought about Guillermo coffee.